Here is how to make money from InventMoney. Yeah, as you guys know, I'm always bringing opportunities on how to make money online, free and paid, and airdrops, opportunities, stock investments, and what have you. So now today I'll be walking you through on inventmoney.com, where you can earn free money by participating in game. Like what you do basically here is game. You can say rock and cash, x2 puzzle, number merge 2048, vocals create casino, rocket eats, and they also have their the platform token itself, or the platform coin itself, which is called the invent. So as you are doing offers or you are doing missions, you are earning both US dollars, and you are also earning invent token. So these are the two opportunities you have on this platform. You're not only earning US dollars, you are also earning the invent token, meaning that the invent will also be listed and you'll be able to withdraw and sell maybe on the platform depending on what they decide to do later. But for the US dollars, you can withdraw anytime. So now let me walk you through. Let's go to the withdrawal process. Let me show you a quick one from here, from the already video. So let's click on this new to cashing out. Watch a quick walkthrough or read the FAQ. So I'll just click on this watch Q walkthrough. So here is the what this guy is trying to show us from the invent money. He's having $53 as USDT, and he's having 213 213 invent tokens. So now he's trying to explain that, well, if you are trying to withdraw from this invent token, you go ahead to your base to your wallet. You can use MetaMask wallet and copy your base address. Personally, you have to verify if you can use other what's it called, other network to withdraw. But for him, he's copying, he use base network. That's what he's showing. You copy your base address, but I'm sure you'll be able to use other network though. So you can copy your base address either from Phantom wallet or from your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, or even your exchange wallet like Bybit, Binance, what have you. Then is have by default the money is always on savings, because as you are earning, they are also helping you to save it, and you can see 3.65% APY. Me, I did not opt in for the savings. I chose I don't want to save. But if by default you've mistakenly go and enter savings, you'll be seeing your money under savings. As you're seeing on this guy's screen, you'll be seeing your funds under savings. So you have to first of all withdraw the funds under savings first. So to withdraw the funds under savings, you click on withdraw, then you see withdraw so amount, withdraw from savings. You can see. So this is for those that their money by default it went to the savings. As you are saving, you are also earning additional USDT on the platform. So it's excluding what you have on the what you've earned on the platform. So the moment you withdraw from savings, then you click on send, input your address that you copied either from the exchange or from your Web3 wallet, then you click on confirm send, and that's it. You will receive your money in your wallet. This is to show you that this platform is actually paying. Like there's no no cabs. So if you are a game lover, I know some people like to play, so people can be on the phone playing game. Don't play game for free now. Don't start playing game for fun. Start paying to get paid now. Like you download the game and you get paid. So you can see they sent the withdrawal to his address, and he's trying to show us he has received the USDC on his to his wallet. So that's the balance that he's having next. So that is how to withdraw on this platform. So now how do you earn the money? You can earn both the invert token and also the USD. They actually use USD. So that's it. So now we've seen the withdrawal walkthrough. You can see mine is showing pending what I've done so far. I'm not even the game type for myself, sincerely. I cannot stay on phone and be playing game. It's not my thing. So but if this is your thing actually, then you can just start making enough money from here. So you can see this pending because they are yet to deposit what I've earned so far to my available balance, it will be automatically sent to the available balance. So I just end it actually, but it will be automatically sent to the available balance. It's not under savings because I did not opt in for savings. But if yours is under savings, then you can do well to first of all click on withdrawal, because I don't have anything in my InventMoney wallet. That's why the withdrawal is not active. So once they send this money that I earn to my available to my InventMoney wallet, then I can click on withdrawal, or I click on send since it's not under savings, and all my withdrawal records will be here. So now to end, you can come to the end button. You see offers, missions, referral, and all of that. So just come to this leaderboard, this dashboard rather. All this end, what you are seeing on end, the offers and the mission, is already on the dashboard page. So you can see Rock and Cash. This is Android game, meaning that you must be an Android user to be able to download this game. You download Rock and Cash the game, and you have to play Android 60 days. So once you click on it, you are going to see everything that you need to do. Because I've clicked on it earlier, they tell me to download. I know for myself that I cannot play this game. You have started this offer. We are verifying your progress with the provider. Check back for your rewards. So you see install. If you click on this drop down, I have to install the game, the app. I will install the app. Then I'll have to get to level 40. Once I get to level 40, I first of all end this. Meaning I will have to play the game from level 1 to level 40 to end this. Then from to level 60 to end this one. As you are earning US dollars, you are also earning Invent tokens. So this is a worldwide platform that you can use to make money for free. Any country that you have, US, UK, Canada, any country, Australia, Germany, Spain, any country around Nigeria, you can start using this. So you have to reach level 40, you earn this. When you reach level 60, you earn this. Once you reach level 80, you earn this. Once you reach level 100, you earn this. You are seeing what you are earning. You reach level 500, you are earning $16 and 2.1 invent tokens. You reach level 700, you are earning $39. You reach level 850, you are earning $168 and 21 invent tokens. So that is how you earn. So if I click on this continue now, it's telling me awaiting install. So the max cap you can earn from this is $280. Accumulative purchases over $100. So if you make another purchases on the app, you still get another bonus. It's in on the Rock and Cash game app, you still get this bonus for making a purchase. But if you don't, it's optional. So this is for those that want to buy, that are buying something on the app too. You earn these bonuses. What you are seeing here, the financial, you earn the bonus for free for buying any purchases. But even without any purchases, you can see reach level 850, you still get $168 for free. Once you reach level 850, even without any purchases. So if I click on continue, I have to download the game, then start playing and start reaching level. Again, the requirements must be installing Rock and Cash from the first time to receive points. In-app purchases and upgrades are available. Confirm instantly. So the moment you install, you even make in-app purchases, they still give you bonus for making in-app purchases. That's the financials that you are seeing that I explained earlier. So you can go ahead and do this. The in-app purchases is optional. You get paid for the one you for the level you reach, even without doing the in-app purchases. One thing you should take note is that you should not use VPN. Do not use VPN to do these tasks. If you use VPN, they will not confirm you. Offers are automatically confirmed. Make sure you don't use VPN. So this one, X Puzzle, you can see this one is for iOS users. If you click on it, it explains what you need to do. Complete all steps listed, earn reward along the way. So I don't want to play game actually. Okay, let me see if this one is game soon. Scan offer requires an iOS, so I have to use my iPhone to scan this QR code. Then what do I need to do? I have to complete step. I don't know if the step is game because I don't know how to play game. Okay, it's also game. X2 puzzle. So if you reach step 25, complete step 25, you reach you get this 14 cents. You reach you complete step 50, you get 20 cents. You complete step 500, you get 2 cents, $2. You complete step 1000, you complete $5 thereabouts. So that's the earnings for this one. This one, there is no in-app purchase. So you need an iPhone, scan the QR code, don't use VPN, scan QR code you to download the app, then start playing the game to complete this step. The moment you scan the QR code, they are automatically verifying the step that you are completing. And by default, the moment you complete any of those steps, they start rewarding you to your my balance in USD and also the invent token. So same thing goes with this X2 puzzle. So they have Android for this S2 puzzle. This Vegas Craze Casino, this one is for Android. This Rocket It, this one is for Android as well. So they have game for both Android and iOS devices. So the more active you are, you keep, you see day 2, they have streak 2. The more active you are, you check in every day on the platform. Just open the website and it will automatically give you additional invent token for checking in every day, like opening the website every day. You get invent token, and you will also see available offers and missions. So you must also be conversant with the platform so that you will not miss out on new updates, like new offers. If I click on see offers, I don't know if that is all. Okay, available to earn up to 9. Oh my god. So see more offers even has a lot. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the iOS offers. It has a lot. Sky Plugger, Blockjoy, Garden Stack, everything is game. Looks like I have to just get serious with one game at least. Sincerely. Okay, I think I saw brain test now. I might be interested in that. The brain test. I might be interested in. I don't like too much of game, but I think that brain test. I saw one brain test. So once you click on that, see all offers. Oh goodness, they have a whole lot, and there is no you don't have any time frame or any maximum that you can complete. You can keep doing offers as much as you can. So this one is not like the moment you do 10 they will tell you to stop. No, anyone that you can do, just keep doing it. So they have a whole lot. So you have reached the end. 131 offers, 131. So as you can see, so that's this is how this platform works. And also the missions, you can also get paid to join the Arcadia Inner Circle Telegram. I get 0.03 invent tokens, upload a profile pictures, add a bio. So basically this is how this InventMoney works. Sign up, check the registration link in the pin post in the comment section or in the description box of this video. Also check the description box of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Support this channel for encouragement. Let's start getting thousands of views so that we can keep bringing the opportunities to your views and you will not miss out on money making updates. Stay tuned for my next update. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to also join my Telegram community for daily updates and you don't miss out on any opportunity at all. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.